utility. We are using this concept for certain things. So when I say it is a concept, it has a broad definition. Like you have a vehicle, so it is a petrol engine. Petrol engine is a concept. Petrol engine is a concept. So in this concept, the engine is being developed. But using this engine, different models of car can be constructed. Utility, that is utility. Petrol engine, diesel engine. So engine is a concept. So this is how the ignition will start. So once that concept is being utilized in different vehicles on different models, same engine can have a 950cc, 1100cc, 2300cc. Fuel will be same, concept will be same. So it will have same piston movements. So 5-gear system. So there is a 5 pistons will be moving. Petrol engine. But using that different capacity of engine, you can construct different vehicles. Same way, here we talk about the vibration number. So vibration number is a concept, and this concept, vibration number concept, can be utilized in many ways. You can use the concept of vibration number in square of 9. You can use the concept of vibration in Gann angle principle. You can use this concept of vibration number in many other ways. Many other, all price to price squaring action, price time squaring action, developing the squaring phenomena, all these things you can able to do it. So that is, utility can be many. So that is why, so first you should know what is the concept. But what we used to get confused, concept itself is called method. So this method, concept is method itself. So utility, we never think about that. So what it is giving, it is in return you are defining the concept says that you have to take a swing low, you have to take a swing high, then you have to find out their single digit number or vibration number, then you have to derive different highs and lows, then you have to match with this vibration number. So whatever the highs and lows you derived, that part you have to match their vibration number. So those will be the potential tops and bottoms. That is concept. If you are using it for the intraday, we'll be reducing that 45 to 360 should be reduced to 7.5 degree multiple. 7.5 and multiple of that it can be developed. Say here we are taking high is a swing day, low is a swing day. So I have also told you one more day is a swing day. What is that? When we discussed about the swing day concept, I have also told you one more day is also a swing day. Which day that one? The day when the high and low difference every day in the past 30 days data, high minus low difference you have to take, and the day which will be having the highest difference, that will also be classified as a swing day. So this is what I have the day. Good morning to all of you, and you have learnt many concepts. Now the ball is in your court. It is everything whatever is promised by Smart Finance, promised by me, is being given bit by bit, point by point. Everything is given to you. So now it is an advanced program from the beginning itself. I have told, and many unique concepts in a most easiest way I have explained. So I have also proved you the Gann's original literature and these explanations how they differ. So here same concept what W.D. Gann has told are all these concepts I have told you in a very simplest way. So today we will be learning how we can use Gann's universal formula for time calculations. So time calculations, that is very important. Second, we have to use the vibration number concept in square of 9. So here utility part comes. So how, as I said to you, like think in a very broad spectrum. Diesel engine, diesel car. Diesel car has many models. The engines are similar, so the mechanic, any diesel engine car you take, so he said that okay, this is how the engine is. So one mechanic, he can repair all diesel engine cars because he knows this is how the concept exists. So that is why everywhere we are going for, there is a concept came, or concept car, or some prototype came, some models came, then after that model transformed to a object, utility object. So this is what is there. So first we have to conceptually, we have learned many things, and there are also some many utilities also I have infused upon. So now moving to our moving to our moving to our first concept on the universal degree concept. So universal degree, what we are doing, previous days, very carefully listen to this, previous days high and low difference we are taking, high minus low we are taking, and this is called as your price range. Price range. So price range. So previous days price range, that is previous days range. And today's gap also we are taking. So today's gap also we are considering today's gap, but we are taking, let me open that, let me open that PPT also. So here the term is being utilized, so you can change the terms to your convenience. Price change and price range. Price range is a past happening, price change is currently happening, so that price change will be dynamic for the day. So every day when there is a new high formed, new low formed, this price change is going to change frequently. So this is, we are using a formula arctan, tan inverse formula. That is arctan is a Excel formula, and this is without Excel you cannot do it. Arctan is a inverse formula. Arctan price change. Price change means current day's change divided by price range, previous day's range. So in return, this also reflects a generic version of your volatility. So generic version of volatility can be translated into different ways. This is known as your slope, price change divided by price range, that is the slope. So that slope, if you take inverse, multiply with 180 divided by pi, it will give you the degree. That means you are saying that in the spherical, it is a circle I am drawing in a sphere, in a sphere of 360 degrees. So what is the slope it is making from the median line? So that is what the degree equivalent presents here, arctan. And from there, price forecastings I have told you, price changes I have told you. So this is how the price change happens. Now utilizing this thing, trend reversal dates we have to calculate. So trend reversal date, whenever we are calculating, we again go back to the same concept. Which day the high has formed, which day low has formed. Say I am going for Nifty trailing 30 days because we are in the month end period. So trailing 30 days period I am going. Trailing 30 days means from September 2022, sorry, September 22nd 2023 year to August 28. So this is past 30 days period. We are seeing that 20,222.45, 19,223.65. This is what it has happened. This is what it has happened. So this part, what we have to do now, same concept of price range and time square method we have to utilize. So what is there? 998.80 price range. What is the range? Past 30 days range. Range, price range, price range. Price range is this thing, 998.8, 998.8 last 30 days. Which day, what is the period? Last trailing 30 days period. This is the range. Slight little bit of changes are there. Now otherwise there is no big change here. So price range is the first factor you do. Then we are going for next parameter, because here what we required, last 30 days I am taking, but converting this number, what other data I required, September 22nd to August 28. So this is the last 30 days period. It is saying that this is the date range. So from this to this we have. So if you trail that order, so 24th of September to 25th of August, that is the past 30 days data, 30 calendar days. So if I go back by 30 days, so 25th August is there. So from so this will become 2. So here this will be the 8 and 24th of August. Then I will go to the 23rd of July. So here 23rd of July to 24th of August, because 25th of August is already coming here. So we required during that period what will be the price range. So here we got 613.95. so these two things very clearly understand this part. So first one, this part what we have taken, price change, the period also I will mention. This is from 23rd of 24th, so sorry, 23rd of August to 24th of September. You can month wise also go, entire August, entire month of September also you can go. So this is how we'll make it a dynamic. So it will go on changing. So this is one part. So same way, what will go here? So 23rd of August, 23rd of August to 24th of September. So here price change when I derive. So this is price. So this is price change. Price range when I will derive, I will go with 23rd of August to 22nd of September. So 24th of August to 25th of this is 24th of August to 25th September. 24th of August to 25th of September. 25th of September. This is 23rd of August to 22nd of September. So holiday is falling. We are in Sundays. So once you go to the Monday, there is no. So here by this process, how much we have got? 613.95. 613.95. So this is what we got. Now these two value will convert which one to degree? It will convert to 998 to degree or 613.95 to degree. This is for July. So 23rd August to this thing. So this is converting the price range of 998 to the degrees. 998 to the degrees. So we have to use which formula? Arctan. So this formula, let me copy. So copy this thing. So I will put it here. So this formula I will take arctan. So I will copy this formula here, paste this here. Slightly difficult mathematics. It is not a very hard mathematics. It is slightly difficult. Slightly. So this will be arctan of this one, the price change divided by price range. So this one, very carefully listen. So you got 58.42 degrees. 998 price range is being converted to 58.42 degrees. Now we require time for calculations this. So what we will be doing, same process we will follow here. 25th August to 24th of September. 24th of September. So 25th August to 24th of September. So this part will go 24th of September. So this part will go. This is the high and low happened. Which day this high happened, which day this low happened, that is required. So this 923.65 you can see here. 31st August it has happened. 31st August happened, and this highest value when it has happened, highest value 31st August you got, and high value happened on 15th September. So these two dates also required. So 31st of August 2023, this is the day low happened, and 15th September 2023 high happened. So this is what now time between the time there is no need to convert it to degrees. Say if you want to convert that to also degrees, you can do it. That is a, I'll tell it, it will become more complex, so I'll tell it afterwards. Now you got these things. Now use which formula? 2 into n formula, numbers in the same degree line. So you have to use the same formula. It is not hexagon, so 2 into n, 2 into n, sorry, I'll write the formula, then we can go for 2 into n plus 2 into a plus 1.25. Thus these two all things has to be taken double multiple. 1.25 is a constant, 2 into a is angle, and n is starting from 0 or 1. So this formula we have to make it. So current whatever current 30 days we have taken, so current 30 days 998 point, previous 30 days referring to that is 600 and some points. We are taking arctan of 998 divided by this, and we are getting 58.42 degrees. So now we want to get the numbers in the same degree trend line. So first what we have to do, that 2, so I will put the bracket here. So here first I will write, it is for easy calculation, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each iterations is 6, 7. So these are the iterations I am going to find out the numbers. So what I will be doing, so 2 into 0, it will become 0. So here 2 into this 0. So this has happened, plus 2 into a is 58.42, which will not change. So we'll make it as a constant each time. You should refer to that. So $2, so you have to fix it here, dollar symbol. So each time 58.42 will be taken, plus 1.25 is a constant cap 2. So this 1.25 is taken semi-log scale. So in that, if that is a, in fact it is a sphere, so this is the first 2 into a divided by 180 is there, or I can just go for, I think this is coming a big number, definitely it should be divided by 180. This formula I think I have degree trend line, same degree trend line, 3.6 you got. Now we have to go to get the second one. Second one is what? So this part, just keep it here, drag it here. So all numbers you got 3, 15, 34 and all. So low formation day and high formation day, you can write it here. 31st August 2023 and 31st August 2023 and 15 September 2023. So these are the two dates, high happened, low happened in the trailing 30 days period. So now trend change date will come. So 31st August added with this one. So no subtractions, only additions are allowed. It is a trend change date. So it is also, so wrongly I double click. So here 3 of September added this thing. So which one is reflecting here? C is here. So D will change, but C will be constant. So I will be putting $1 here. So each time C should be remain as it is, D will be changing. So now next part I will go for, I will be adding high formation day. So that is 15 September. This will not change. This is a constant, same time it should be there, added with added with all these numbers. So what happened here? See how the utility we are making changing here. So all September months, because we are taking the trailing things, so it will be valid from 26th of September to the 26th of October. So this is, it will be valid. So we can say these are the trend reversal dates is going to be valid for the using this method. So 3rd, 18th, 15th are gone. So 15th, in fact, it is a 15th September was high made. That is a critical day. Now we have 30th September, 4th October and 19th October. Which are the next trend reversal date? 4th October, 30th September and 19th October. The trend change will happen. November will not take. November will be considering previous day's data he will take here. Means instead of 24th to 25th September, he will take 23rd September data, only 23rd, and here he will take 22nd. Second data he will take, some degree will come, 45, 50, something will come. He will use this formula, get these numbers and put that trend reversal date. So what is the date you have taken? Just adjacent 2 days. So is there logically it is valid? Logically think. Forget about the method. What data I taken, what data parcel I have taken. So based on that it will reflect. So you have taken previous day and followed with it previous today. So your something jabardasti or forcibly something will come, but that is not correct. Why? The data range what you have taken, it is not, that will definitely give you 45 degree, 23 degree, some degrees, because that is converting previous current days numbers to degrees. Current days 138, 139, whatever you are telling, that is converting to degrees. Based on that what you have given, it is a narrow set. So you will get some numbers that will never work, that will never react. Then you will say method fails. So here you have a big container, bucket, 18 liter of water you can say. If you take one small bottle, 1 liter of bottle, you will say that you put there, also put 18 liter of water. So what will happen? That container size is different. Both are containers to capture the water. One is a bucket, one is a bottle. So bucket is made a purpose that you should use it in the bathroom and take bath. Bottle is being made to keep the smaller things, oil, perfume, everything. So if you say that I will store water in this and I'll take bath in that, nobody can stop you. So this is the correct way, and correct way should be utilized in the correct process. So what is the correct process? Previous month data you take, previous 30 days data you take. So some amount of flexibility you have to give. Previous 15 days if you take, I will be rather happy. Somewhat it will come correct, but it will be valid for next 15 days. So that will be valid for, and this will be valid from which date to which date? 25th of September we have taken, from 26th September to the 24th of October. So 24th of October we do not have any trend reversal date. 19th it is getting over. So these three are the trend reversal date is coming. So based on this data, so what we got, so this it has told 3rd September, 18th September, 15th September. So you can say that 3rd September what happened? 3rd September it is a holiday. 3rd September was a holiday. So 1st September positive, but 3rd September it, because it has been, it is a holiday, trailing date you have taken. So holiday 4th or 1 it will get affected. So 1 is got affected. Once the trend reversal day falls in a holiday, then the previous working day or the succeeding working day will work. So here 3rd September is a holiday. So 1st September the trend reversal will happen, or on 4th. 1st September it has happened. Then it is telling that 15th of September there is another trend reversal is coming. 15th of September. So 15th of September, anyway it is making a all-time high. So anyway it is a critical day, it is a special day it is creating. However, trend reversal actions are not taking place. It was in fact a flat day, 20,072, 20,103. So what is a flat day? How this is a positive 30 point I am seeing, but I am saying that no, it is still a flat day. Still it is not a, no actions has been taken place, because any price which is closed below 45-degree resistance, I will not consider it as a trend day, I will consider it as a flat day. So this is what also is there. So 15th is a special day. Again you are coming to next day, which is next, which is coming on. So 3rd and 15th gone. 18th September. 18th September it is coming. So 18th September, see the trend change happened or not? Excellent trend change happened on that. So which was till 15th September, maintaining a good positive. 15th was there, all time high. 18th September there is a trend change happen, perfect trend change happen here, and which is still continuing, negative, positive to negative migration happened. Then we have followed with 30th September, 4th October, 19th October. This is what 3 more days are there. Observe it here. Request here whether you understood this. Time forecast, price range, and time square method. One thing I will tell you here, in Gann study, so what are the things is there? First generation came square of 9. It is a utility. These are methods are utility. Square of 9, square of 12, square of 12. These are the methods. Gann angle. So these are the utility methods, means particular geometrical things you are using. Hexagon, all are the utility methods. Then next generation of study has come with respect to the price time actions. Price range, PR range, price range, and time. In what time frame that range is being created. So price range and time. Time range and price. Time range and price. Price and time square method. So time range and price and time square method. 5 things has come there. 5 things. So these are the ways you can create utility. You can utilize different these 5 methods for different objectives to forecast the dates, the forecast the price, forecast the time, all these things. Then it goes to the different methods of utilizing or concepts, different concepts. On this concept, what are the things? Natural constant is a concept, and utility also. Natural constant. Second, we have got this vibration number. Third, we got the, you can say, universal degree concept. Fourth, we got many other things is followed through that. You can say Gann's pyramidal structure, Gann's hyperbolic structure. So many concept, new concept is got added. So these concept will give you a new degree presentation, new way to price forecast. But this again can be clubbed here. They can be utilized with this can be utilized with the square of 9, square of 12. This can be utilized there also. So these are the ways. Price to price square method also we can use. 58. So price to price square method also we can use. So these are the generations. So try to understand that part. So this is the way. First, yesterday we calculated the price. For price, how to calculate price forecasting? We have done it here. You can say whatever the angle. So what is the previous day's price range? We have every day's things we are calculating here. Where it is closed, we have to take in this order. Here 58 it is coming. What is the closing of 22nd September? So you can take 58 and go on interpolating these things, get a higher level of this thing. 19674 closed, 58 degrees you can take. So then monthly you are going. So monthly you are going means it will be a 30 rotations of that. So the 30th place it will come, because you are taking past 30 days. So you go on interpolating what will be the 30th place price, that will be your resistance. 30th place will be your support or important degrees. Mid of 15th price, 7th day price. So here 58 degrees, using 58 degrees in this formula, 30 price points you find out. So Out of that, 15th price point, 8th price point, so or 7th, 1/4 of that, 2/3 of that. So these are the price points will be the point of importance. So there one top resistance will be found. So that way you can utilize this thing. So versatile ways are there to utilize. So if you just started thinking a little bit, you can utilize these things in a very, very great way. But do not think it can be utilized as a intraday. Gann is a intraday trader. How much you have earned by that thinking? Zero. Intraday thinking, if anyone has got any 1 rupee, you take consistently. Some days it would have come, some days it would have gone. Consistently, have you got year on year basis, your wealth has increased? Zero. Second, your SEBI is telling out of, I am not telling, out of 10, 9 are loser. Why? They are learning. You people are also learning. 50 people are there. All are learning. Various programs joining. Then why 9 fails? 1 wins. They cannot change their mindset. First principle. Mind never change. We only aim for the short-term objective. We never protect the trade. We take, when we do not protect the trade, small profits we take, big losses we accept. When you do not protect the trade, what will happen? Small profits you will take because that will make you happy, and big losses you will accept. That will again give you hope. Why big losses you will accept? It will give you hope. End result, nothing. That should not happen. Price change date, there is no such that you cannot make it for only August. You want 1st July to 31st July. So this July data range you required, July range you required, August range you required. Then you find out the degree, what degree there. So which one will get converted to degree? August range will get converted to degree. So after getting this thing, utilize this formula, find out the number in the same degree line. Add it to the August's low formation day and August's high formation day. So you will get for the September's. So September's. Why I have shown this? Because this is trailing 30 days. We are in the last leg of September. So here too also a couple of days comes which validates. So it will at least valid till of 24th of October. So 24th of October you can able to experience something. So if you want to test for August, July, June, same method you replicate once you get the Excel. Testing is, so if you are taken from the 22nd September, we are starting from the, what is the latest data available with us? 19674. Latest data. You will not go to the high formation day. What happened? If you are taking entire month of August, 1st August to 31st August, and calculating the price, you have to go for 31st August closing price. From there you have to calculate. Deepakji. Excel will take care of this decimal value, so you don't worry about that. Just add whichever the day comes, accept it. Calendar month, if you take till 20th of the month, it works, because if you take entire August and July till 20th of September, most of your calculations will come true, Manishji. So but 20th after, many price points will change, or mid of the month after, price points will change. So if you take trailing 30 days data, trailing 30 days calendar data, then the forecast will be more accurate. So accuracy is important. So set of data, what you consider, okay, if you have taken August and July, it will be valid for first 2 weeks of September. So then, because it will be taking some new, so but once you are trailing, if you take, so post 15th, it makes more sense. So however, Gann has not taken trailing. I am taking the trailing because it makes sense that accuracy is more. So we have to focus on the accuracy. End result, we should get profit. End result, our forecasting should be true. So for that, we have to little bit of tweakings we have to do with that same method without corrupting the method. So calendar days also I take in my software. What I give? Calendar days and trailing days. Both the things I have given. So here, those who are using the Gann software, I have given two things there. I have taken the, so as per the Gann's concept, I have not violated that concept. I have accepted that concept, and what I did, previous month and trailing month, both the things I have taken. So here, if you go to the Gann software, two values you will get. So till 15th it makes sense because previous month you have taken, no data is available, so it is working. But when you go for 15th of month, it is gone. So here you can say previous month and trailing 1 month. These two set of data I am taking. So the same method is the same, only the interpolation of data varies, because that makes a sense, because new high created, new low created, then why to hold on to that old data points? So that is also very important. So if you take trailing months, it makes a big sense here. So you can say both the things you can utilize, just only thing is that any number you feed here, it will convert to degrees. There is no doubt about that. If you take previous day and before previous date also, you will get. Previous week and before previous week also, you will get. But that objective of this thing will, so that calculation also will give you a couple of dates. So those days are not valid. 18th of September, 18th of September, trend change will happen. Trend change will happen. What happened actually? Trend change meaning what? What happened that day? Any earthquake happened? Anything, heaven is fallen down to the earth or moon has fallen down to earth? What happened? 15th September, whatever the high it has made or the positive closing was there, that trend is changed. You are got a negative closing. Price only changed. So positive changes, positive price trend which was continuing for 3 days changed to negative. So price only changed. Na? Is for resistance and support calculation. This formula is for changing to degrees. Now you are using the old formula of 2 into n formula for getting smaller numbers, which you can interpolate with the date and convert it to the trend change dates. And it maintains, as I said to you, out of 10 dates if you are coming, 6 will come true, 4 will be failure. Some cases it will give you 7 also, 7 to 8 also, it also. These are very accurate methods. It requires a thorough learning. Square of 9 will be like this, and we have a vibration number. So through vibration number, what we are getting? What is the purpose of vibration number? Can anyone will tell me why this vibration number we are finding out? Anyone? Why this vibration number? Yesterday we have learned vibration number, what it gives? Predicting the top and bottom. So what will be the predicted top and bottom? It will be given by the vibration number. So vibration number gives you a predicted top and predicted bottom. So here, once you go through this vibration number, what you get? There will be a predicted top and predicted bottom. So in fact, so you can say this is a from things goes with the low, calculated from the low, it is calculated from the high. So by this process continue. So here what happens? This top is lower than this thing, 17. So you just go proceeding to this. So here you got the value, first value. So two set of values you are seeing here, two set of values. So one is calculated from the high. So these are the this is the, you can say, supports, and these are the resistances. So but first, the first support and first resistance, if you compare, first resistance is lower, this is lesser than the first support, because it is derived from the high, this is derived from the low. So naturally it will happen like that. So then you can move on, so move forward. So forward you can go. So then you are getting a second top here, 19,712. This top also lower than this one, 19,725, because the two numbers what we are using, one is a low, one is a high. So from high we are subtracting, from the low we are adding. So this is natural. So once the subtractions are lesser, we will get the top, but that top will be lesser than this bottom. So this process, second one also you got, it is a vibration number top, however it is lesser. Then comes to third one. Third one is 20,135. We are learning utility part. Logically you have to understand. So here third top we are getting 20,135, and here third, the first bottom is straight still there, 19,725. So these two values will be accepted for your square of 9 principle. Square of 9 principle will accept these two values. Which values? 19,725, 20,135. So 19,725 and 20,135. So 19,725, 19,725, 25, 20,135. So this is the two values will be accepted. Understood or not? You tell me here. Logically we are understanding. We calculated the supports, we calculated resistances, then we have matched it with the vibration numbers. After finding out, we found out whatever the resistance we have calculated and matching with the vibration number, these resistances are lesser than the support. So these two will not be accepted. We want a resistance which will be bigger than the support. So this you understood. Different cycle, forget about cycle. What I am saying, whether you understood it, 9 principle. So what square of 9, what it expects? It requires, if square of 9, what it expects? It expects the step. So how the step will be calculated? This minus this. So step, so 81 will be the step divided by 81. So divided by 81. So this is the step. So 400 and 401. This is the step. So what will be the first thing? So here two things you are getting: 19,725, 2135. My price will be something different. So here step should be step and CD required. So step should be 5.0618, and the seed should be the low 19,725. So this one set of angle, one set of things will get, and all these colored parts what you are seeing, horizontal cardinal, vertical cardinal, and the diagonal cardinals, these price points are potential resistances. So potential resistances will come from there. So these price points are the potential resistance. 81 numbers you are getting, 81 numbers, your potential resistances till 20,135. So these are the potential resistances. So potential resistances you will get it. Say tomorrow what happened, 20,135 also crossed over, it has gone to 20,222 point something. So there what happens, this depth will, what is 410 point, it will change. So this 410 points will change, and step will change, new dimension will come there. So this is for the resistances. How to do the supports? You have to change these values. So 725 you have started, 19,725. So you can make it 2135, and step should be negative here. So 2135 and steps should be negative. So the root number or the center number will be calculated, and all these things will be, and all numbers which is falling in the vertical, horizontal cardinals, they are only important. So vertical and horizontal cardinals, they are only important. Other prices are not that important. So it is coming till 725 here. So 725. So if you are going to, this is one cycle starting from 20,135 ending at 19,725. So further falling. So what will happen? we will be using here 19725, 725. Further going up, we will use 20,135. So this circle will again continue. So say, so and only this horizontal, vertical, and those cardinals are important. So 608, 619, 619. So now you come to, so you can say this is 694 gone. So 689. Then you can say 629, 639. So these are the only colored part. You can see all this colored part is very important. So if this fall continue, it can continue till 19315. If it is further goes 19315, you have to here 19315. So this process you will go on changing it. So square of 9 principle, if you want to use with the vibration number. So again I will repeat what you have to do. First find out the based on the vibration number, calculate the tops and bottoms. Find out, because in first cycle or second cycle somewhere you will get a top which will be bigger than or greater than the first bottom. So the first bottom and first top, or first bottom and first top also can go. So anything, so you can go in this process, first bottom and first top. So the first top should be bigger than the first bottom. That will be your first two price points or the first two seed numbers. So first two seed number, first two numbers which will give you a depth. So that depth divided by 81 will give you step. Use that price points, the first support price point to get the resistance, first top price point to get the support. So if one loop is continued, so the end price point you can utilize, get the second loop. So by this process you will get the by this process you will get the square of 9 utilized in your vibration. Utilize square of 9, I told you. That's why I used to tell it is a advanced program. Square of 9 principle, if you are utilizing it to 725. So here I utilize the 725, made this thing. Where should be bought or sold? Square of 9, if you are utilizing, where it should be. So first spiral. So first, this is the first spiral gone. This is the seed number sitting here. So this red box is the first spiral. So second spiral starts from here. This is the second spiral. So second spiral ends here. Then the third spiral starts here. So this is the price for your selling part, because we are reducing it. So selling part is from here. So selling part is here, seed will be your stop, and this will be your ultimate target. So in between, third spiral starting point you can make it, or once it going to the cardinals, the vertical cardinal, here also you can sell stop loss. That is what square of 9 principles entry process you can utilize. So bullish calculation is if you make it to positive starting with 19725, it ends 2135. Again second leg will go 2135. So it will give you the second loop 20,222. Here only reversal happened. So this cardinal point, here only reversal happened na? 20,222.45 the reversal happened. That is a cardinal price point or not? So this calculation you have done before this high made, before 20,222 made, this vibration number calculation happened. So vibration number calculation happened when the data points was 19,795, 19,223. Using this August data, you calculated these values 135. So now what happens? We are taking 20,135, 19,725. Using this, we have calculated one complete square of 9 got over at 135. If you take here 135, it is 725 low is bottom you are starting. 2135, one square of 9 will completed. Second square of line will start from the 2135 where it is ending. So it has gone to this, but reversal happened where? 20,222.45. Here only reversal happened, just 1 point above. This is a testimony of the success of this square of 9 on that. Testimony, exactly 1 point deviation. 1 rupee 45 paisa deviations. So third spiral, it has happened. If it would have continued 221. So 221. So this is the 240, 41, 251, 262. So that then it could have entered to the fourth spiral, 276 and all, 302. It will end at 20,545. So this is, so only when you want the negative calculations, what you have to do? Step, you have to make it negative. Starting should be from top, negative top from, so starting should be from top. So top, what is the top? 20,135. From here you will start and make it negative. So first loop over 725 it will end, because you have started, this is the loop 725 to 135. Beyond 725 where it should go? So just ended at 725. So you have to make it as 20,175, 20,725. So 19,725. Second loop started, which is ending 19,315. So 19,315, and now 657 level has come. So we'll see where it is ending. So this is also ended, top ended here, top also ended here. So maybe 639 level, this bottom should can also end. So but so 657 here, the low, what has happened, very close near to this cardinal price point. This cardinal price point, ordinal price point are these black colors, cardinal price points are these red colors. So this ordinal and cardinal price points are important. So what we are doing, we are using vibration number with the square of 9. If you have interest, you can utilize this thing with the square of 12. If you have interest, you can utilize with the 6 square of 9. So based on your objective, you can utilize it. So this is a concept. You are utilizing this top and bottom concept in various Gann methods to get the entry levels as per that method. So you can create, but learn a concept, devise to how to utilize that concept in the trade, then hedge or protect it, make from money or make profit. That is one thing. Learn concept, keep learning concept, infinity, utility, make it zero. This you make it zero, money will become zero. Okay, learn the concept, utility also devise, hedging become zero, money will become zero. So objective you define. If you have enough time, resource, you can do that research. So here I am a man of numbers. So I will concentrate on numbers. I will never go to the alphabets. Last session of Hindi will be conducted at 11:30, and same concept what you have learned, that will be also will be discussed in that session. I will again request all of you, if you understand Hindi, then you join that session. I have also appealed you in the group, give a review on your subject, what you have learned from us, so that it will be very much useful for others. Maybe people will not get misguided by the Gann literatures that it is cost lakhs, millions, and they can learn this same concept by paying 500, 200, even free in the site. So that is what I want. Propagate it. You learned this concept, propagate it, tell to your friends, teach them also. This you can propagate, tell to others. So by this process, and right knowledge, correct knowledge should reach the people, not vague knowledge. Right knowledge should go. So that is very important, very, very important. So that is that process. you also give your contribution towards society. Society is a trading community, is our society. Many people unwisely lose money. Their forecasting study is not correct, not authentic. Make it authentic. That it is my appeal that you can do, and you, each one of you, if you can teach some 10 people about this authentic Gann studies, you can make a big changes. Those people also can take. So by this process, knowledge will become versatile. Nobody will get cheated with this non-substantial stuffs on WD Gann. Non-substantial stuffs. Many are making money out of these stuffs, having zero knowledge on the Gann. So that is my say. And so I will keep innovating. I will keep giving you the new stuffs. So same time, it is my request, appeal, propagate it, spread a word, what is the vibration number, how to use it with the square of 9. Don't restrict your thought on square of 9. Think beyond that. Use tetrahedron, use this thing. So all these things try to propagate. That is very important. It is your obligation towards your trading community. Once they are educated, formulated, so that time all will make money. It is not that one lose money, other makes money in stock market. It is a wrong concept. Don't think that someone is losing money, then only someone is making. That is a foolish concept. Participation makes money. Number of people comes, demand goes up, that creates the value. Demand goes up, makes money. Somebody bought a land. After 5 years, he is selling at 1 crore. He bought it in 50,000 or 5 lakhs. Do you think that the person who sold him 5 lakhs, he is the loser? No. The person who has sold at that time 5 lakhs, he took the value of 5 lakhs. Person who invested and risked that 5 lakhs, he waited for another 10 years, 15 years to get it 1 crore. So nobody is a loser here. Demand created that value. So demand created that value. So that is very important. So I will not recommend any Gann book, because I still have only 30% of understanding on the Gann's literature. Still 70% is lying. So once I understand, I will say. I have shared you what is square of 144, 1 page of 2 pages of literature. You go through that. So I utilize everything, but the same thing. It is any layman can read it, cannot understand, cannot use that. That is very important. Similar way, this vibration number. So it takes a long time to understand. It is not that the summing of numbers in the reducing by 1 is anywhere. He has not written. But he gave vibration number is 6, vibration number is 7, vibration number is 8. So 8 corresponds to like this. So these are the things will happen. Then after a long gap, I understood this is what he is doing. So that is how we have to understand this concept. So the raw concept has its own meaning. So people are those who are engaged in that, like me, they can decode. It is not that many are not there. Many are there on researching on that. So they also come out that, so they said that hide it so that you will make good money. Sell it at lakhs, you will make good money. It is not like that. That philosophy should not be there. It is not our Indian philosophy. Knowledge cannot be sold. Skill cannot be practiced. Knowledge and skill, these things cannot be bought, cannot be sold. Though you people pay some money and can, but it is not a knowledge cannot be sold. All cannot get the, so all cannot get the same value out of these things. Those who are interested, they will get a bigger value. Those who are not interested, they will not get any value. So here, though they paid, they did not get value. Those who are understood, they got much more value. So that makes difference. So that's why it cannot be sold, it cannot be bought. But it can be nurtured. It can be, it can be cultivated. It can be harvested. So it can be grown. It is a growth. For some people, this 500 is equivalent to 5 lakhs. For some people, this 500 is 5 paisa. So that differs. So that is how you should get the knowledge. Your interest is vital. Excel PPT recordings, go repeatedly, go through that. So repeatedly, 100 times, 500 times, if you want time, you go through that. Change, practice, practice, practice. Utilize with different Gann methods. You will get wonderful results. That is my assurance. I have shown you how to use it with the square of 9. You use with the 6 square of 9. You use it with the hexagon. You use it with your tetrahedron. So you will get wonderful results. Wonderful results will come. So that is how you should utilize these methods. So if you start listening to these videos multiple times, you will say that this is equivalent to 100 hours of knowledge is being given. So deep into that, it will give you enormous this thing. So here I have shown you two things you have seen. Maybe if you take it seriously, it is very good. July, June, August month data you have taken, did some calculations, from this thing, August month data you have taken, vibration number you found out, did some calculations. First loop ended, second loop 2135. So see, reversal happened from 20,222, very near to this. Here, very near to this price. 1 point. It's look like a magic, na? When this data has not happened, you know that where it is happened. These cardinals are going to play. It look like magic. So this magic can happen for you every day if you use it, if you cultivate it, if you harvest it. This magic can happen every day with you. So that is what Gann. If you harvest it, you will get excellent benefit. Fine. So with this, I will be ending this program of Master Gann course. Recording will be given. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Please give your review in your that link I shared in the group. Excel sheet I will be sharing with you right away within 2 minutes. Recordings will be given to you within by evening. So once both recording is ready, I will be given. And if you are conversant with Hindi, please do join the Hindi session. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.